I just got the Milwaukee 6.5-inch framing saw with the fuel brushless. Just the tool because I already had batteries. And this thing is awesome. It's quiet and it just cuts right through. No more cord, no more dealing with cords sticking out the back. You push the button, the light turns on. And it's much lighter than the 7.5-inch one. The 7.5-inch one is probably 3 pounds heavier. You get on the 7.5-inch, you get an extra inch of the platform here, but it's really not that necessary for me because I'm just using it for, cutting this and that. I'm not cutting 4x4s or anything. But it does come with its own blade. And I just cut some pretty thick pieces of wood downstairs, and it cuts right through. Alright, so I have here an example of a 2x12, I believe. And this is really old wood. This isn't newer wood. This stuff is partially petrified and what have you. It's a little rotten on the edge, but it doesn't change much for the strength of this wood. But let's see. We push the thumb guard. Light turns on. Just gives you a light right at where the disc is. And let's give it a shot. Excellent. Oh, there's a knot right at the end. That's why it slowed down a little. That's a nice knot. Smells nice. Let's see here. I already cut these, and these are full 2-inch 2x12s. These are not the new standard partial size. Well, let's see. Maybe I can position it in such a fashion. Okay, let's go right here. There, that'll do it. Alright, thumb guard. Lights are up. And that was so easy to cut through. 6.5 is the way to go. I thought about the 7, but it's just too heavy to carry around. So there you have it.